Today I'm going to tell you, step by step, the habits that are ruining your life. So watch till the end, or waste your many years of life. Part 1. How to feel calm under pressure. Join me as I challenge myself to stay calm under pressure using these proven techniques. Can I keep my cool in some stressful scenarios? Staying calm under pressure is a vital skill that can make all the difference in various aspects of life. Whether you're facing a tight deadline at work, competing in a high-stakes sports event, or dealing with personal challenges, being able to keep your cool can help you perform better, think more clearly, and maintain your overall well-being. When we're under pressure, it's common to feel anxious, which can lead to a lack of focus and make it difficult to think clearly. This anxiety can stem from the fear of failure or the stress of meeting expectations. Many people also struggle with self-doubt, wondering if they're truly capable of handling the situation. As pressure mounts, our minds can become jumbled, making it hard to prioritize tasks or make decisions. Feeling overwhelmed is another major challenge people face when under pressure. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and feel like everything is spiraling out of control. This sense of overwhelm can cause people to freeze, unsure of how to move forward. Furthermore, physical symptoms like a racing heart, sweaty palms, and shallow breathing can exacerbate the feeling of being overwhelmed, making it even harder to stay calm. The inability to think clearly is often a result of the brain's fight-or-flight response kicking in. When we perceive a threat, our body's stress response is triggered, releasing stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. While these hormones prepare our body to react, they can also impair our cognitive function, making it harder to think logically and make sound decisions. In addition to these challenges, people often struggle with the pressure to perform perfectly, which can lead to an intense fear of making mistakes. This fear can be paralyzing, causing individuals to second-guess themselves and doubt their abilities. So, how can we overcome these challenges and stay calm under pressure? One effective technique is deep breathing. By taking slow, deliberate breaths, we can calm our nervous system and reduce stress hormones in our body. Another technique is visualization, which involves mentally rehearsing a positive outcome. This can help boost confidence and reduce anxiety. Positive self-talk is also a powerful tool, as it allows us to reframe negative thoughts and focus on our strengths. The power of positive self-talk lies in its ability to shift our mindset and build resilience. By using affirmations and encouraging language, we can calm our minds and stay focused on the task at hand. Another technique is mindfulness meditation, which can help us stay present and centered, even in high-pressure situations. By practicing mindfulness, we can learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them. I'd like to share a personal story that illustrates the effectiveness of these techniques. I recall a situation where I had to give a presentation to a large audience, and I was incredibly nervous. My heart was racing, and my mind was blank. But I took a few deep breaths, visualized a positive outcome, and reminded myself that I was well prepared. As I began to speak, I focused on my message and the value I was providing to the audience. I also used positive self-talk, telling myself that I was capable and confident. By using these techniques, I was able to calm my nerves and deliver a successful presentation. In conclusion, staying calm under pressure is a skill that can be developed with practice and patience. By incorporating techniques like deep breathing, visualization, positive self-talk, and mindfulness into your daily routine, you can improve your ability to handle pressure and perform at your best. If you've had an experience with staying calm under pressure, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Part 2. Your mind is not broken, but this is why you feel stuck. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're not behind. So why do you feel like something's wrong with you? Because your brain is trying to protect you by holding you hostage. Part 1. Why you feel stuck. Your brain has one job: keep you alive, not make you happy, not make you successful, just safe. So every time you try to grow, start a business, hit the gym, speak your truth, your brain triggers fear, doubt, exhaustion, because to your brain, change equals danger. Part 2. You're not broken, you're conditioned. You've been trained to avoid pain, trained to choose comfort, trained to scroll, escape, distract, instead of face the discomfort that leads to growth. But that doesn't mean you're broken. It means your brain is running an outdated survival script in a world that rewards boldness, not hiding. Part 3. How to unlock yourself. The way out is simple, but not easy. Every time your brain says, "That's too hard," you whisper back, "That's the point." When your brain screams, "Stay safe," you say, "I choose growth." Don't wait to feel ready. Take action before permission. The stuck feeling disappears the moment you stop obeying fear. Your brain is not broken, it's just afraid. Train it to follow you, not control you. You're wasting your potential every morning. Here's how. Every morning, you're given a gift, a chance to lead, to build, to grow. But instead, you waste it. In the first 10 minutes, without even realizing it. Here's how, and how to stop. Part 1. The habit that's draining you. You wake up, you grab your phone. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Before your feet even touch the floor, you've given your brain to everyone else. The algorithm owns your mindset. Distractions own your direction, and your potential already hijacked. Part 2. Why it matters. The first hour of your day trains your brain. What you focus on, what you care about, what you chase. So if you spend it consuming cheap dopamine, your mind starts craving it all day. That's why you can't focus. That's why your goals feel distant. That's why you feel stuck, even when you're doing stuff. Part 3. The shift. Want to unlock your potential? Win your morning. No scrolling for the first 30 minutes. Drink water. Move your body. Write down one thing that matters and do it first. It's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Every focused morning becomes a weapon, and after 30 focused mornings, you become unstoppable. You're not lazy, you're just unarmed. Stop giving your power away before the day even starts. Protect your mornings, reclaim your mind, unleash your potential. It's not fear, not laziness, not even procrastination. The mindset that destroys most people sounds reasonable, looks responsible, and feels safe. But it quietly kills your potential every single day. It's the mindset of, "I'll start when I'm ready." Sounds smart, right? But here's the truth. You're never going to feel ready. Not for the gym, not for the business, not for the life you actually want. "I'll start when I'm ready" is a lie your brain tells you to protect you from discomfort. But growth lives in discomfort. That mindset doesn't save you. It traps you in endless waiting. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into years. And one day, you look back and realize you were always one uncomfortable step away from a new life. Want to beat that mindset? Here's the shift. Don't wait until you're ready. Start while you're scared. Start while you're doubting. Start while you feel like an imposter. That's where real growth happens. Confidence doesn't come before action. It comes because of action. Don't let ready be the reason you never start. You don't need permission. You need motion. Want to stay average for the rest of your life? It's easy. Just keep doing what everyone else is doing. Scroll, wait, complain, repeat. Because if you want a guaranteed way to stay mediocre forever, keep chasing comfort. Part 1. The trap of comfort. Mediocrity doesn't feel painful, that's the problem. It feels comfortable. It feels like sleeping in instead of waking up early, like watching just one more video, like saying, "I'll start tomorrow." But comfort has a cost, and it's your potential. Part 2. The death loop. Most people live in a loop. Avoid pain, chase pleasure, feel guilty, repeat. They wait for motivation, they wait for permission, they wait for the right moment. And while they wait, someone else is building, someone else is learning, someone else is taking the shot they're scared to take. And in 5 years, the difference is massive. Part 3. Escape the mediocre. If you want to escape mediocrity, stop avoiding discomfort. Start doing the hard things you keep postponing. Wake up earlier than your excuses. Study when you'd rather scroll. Speak when you'd rather stay silent. Success doesn't feel amazing at first. It feels like sacrifice. But sacrifice now or regret later. Your call. The fastest way to stay mediocre is to avoid everything that makes you better. So stop choosing what's easy. Start choosing what matters. It's not the big decisions that kill your future. It's the small, silent habits you repeat every day. The ones that feel harmless, but they're quietly burying your potential. One scroll, one excuse, one delay at a time. Part 1. The real enemy. It's not failure. It's comfort. The constant need to feel okay right now, even if it costs you everything later. You skip the gym today, just today. You delay the hard conversation, just this once. You scroll instead of study, just 5 minutes. Then you blink, and it's been 5 years. Part 2. Death by comfort. Every time you choose comfort over growth, you're making a vote. A silent vote against your future self. And the worst part, you don't even notice it happening. Because comfort is quiet. Procrastination whispers. Regret, though, it screams. And by the time you hear it, it's already too loud to ignore. Part 3. The shift. So how do you stop killing your future? Choose the hard thing now, so your future self can breathe. Say no to the easy path, not because you're strong, but because you're done being stuck. You don't need motivation, you need conviction. One painful yes today could save you from a lifetime of silent regret. You're not lazy, you're not lost, you're just choosing the wrong, easy. Kill comfort before it kills your future. You're under 25, don't make these mistakes. This is not advice from a guru. It's what most people realize too late. If you're under 25, don't scroll. Avoid these mistakes and your future self will thank you, and you'll spend years fixing what you could have avoided in minutes. Mistake 1, chasing approval. Don't live your life just to be liked. If your goals are based on validation, followers, applause, fitting in, you'll spend your whole life performing for people who won't even remember your name. Learn this now. Silence is better than fake praise. Focus on impact, not approval. Mistake 2, waiting to feel ready. I'll start when I'm confident. I'll try when I'm prepared. No, you won't, because you'll never feel ready. Confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after survival. Start while shaking. Speak while scared. That's how you grow. Mistake 3, wasting pain. You'll go through heartbreak, failure, rejection. That's not the mistake. The mistake is wasting it. Most people numb it, bury it, run from it. Few people build with it. Your pain can either break you or build you, depending on what you do next. Mistake 4, thinking you have time. You think you're young, you are, but that's the trap. You think you can wait to become disciplined, to become fit, focused, free, but the habits you build now, they become your identity later. Don't wait. Start shaping it now, or time will shape it for you. If you're under 25, empowering, you have power, time, energy, stern, but only if you stop wasting them. Avoid the easy path now, so your future is actually worth walking. So have to break mental prison to become successful. So watch this video on screen, and if you have subscribed, then we will meet again. Otherwise, wish you good luck.